Big spirit in this bitch, I'm ghostly. Rush me, cause you ain't gonna live to roast me. I had my motherfucking ass kicked by Moby if I let some bitch in a can like Biscopo for me to do war and try to bring my crew back down. I never stooped to that level to do that now. I got a new cat, this time I'm pulling 2 gats out with bullets. I finally got something to shoot at now.
Let's see who got their city on lock. Let's see who got the better aim with the Glock. Let's see who come out on top. Let's see who really want their name in the street. Let's see who wanna die the same time as me and make ends meet. Now was I blessed with a gift or cursed with a curse? I followed her, verse after verse, spit verse after verse, and I'll be damned if I let Belly Dance to Pre or anybody swig an axe at my family tree. So now
when you niggas be talking, saying my name, seems like your mouth is not connected to your brain. 2003 and shit, it ain't the same. Better have a strap, my nigga, simple and plain. Put your nuts on the table, my nigga, let's play the game. Hurt you so long, you be addicted to pain. I don't wanna hear what you meant, do not explain. Right before you lay in your coffin, don't say my name.
Why do you hate me? I came from nothing, blood, sweat, and tears. You did not create me. How can you doubt me? You don't know shit about me. There'd be no West Coast without me. Cut with the bullshit. I struggle for survival, and now you tryna act like my rival. Watch what you say, partner. It's a small earth. Don't play games with your life, nigga. It's not worth all the pain, all the agony, all the horror, all the tragedy. Put your hands up, people. It's time to fight now. I beat holes in your chest, remain hostile. Threaten my life. One day you'll understand. They say that pride is the sign of a foolish man. So who the fuck you think you talking to? Live and direct in the flesh.